A Day in My Life as an Accountancy Student. Walang pasok edition. First thing I do after I wake up is to see the sunlight because it helps my skin be brighter and much glowing. Using AI is for my daily life. I can accomplish every task efficiently and in a timely manner, especially when I have so much to do and I don't know how to schedule it or fix it in a timely manner. It helps me Pero una sa lahat, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating Panginoon sa biyayang binigay niya sa atin. So let's bow our head and feel the presence of the Lord. Lord, thank you for another wonderful day. And thank you for giving us the strength to wake up to see this wonderful day. Give us strength for us to accomplish all the things we must do today. And always protect us from sickness, both mentally and physically. Guide us and support our path. Lead us to a better path for our future. And help all the people in need. Amen. So it's currently 10:38 and wala pa talaga akong nagagawang mga gawain. And since alam kong productive yung araw ko ngayon and hindi ko pa na alam kung anong una kong gagawin, I'll just ask Sisi, my AI companion, kung anong gagawin ko. So sabi ko sa kanya, schedule my day with doing laundry, cleaning the house or general cleaning, resting and reviewing for my finals, and then magbukmok. Boss! So binigyan naman niya ako duration of 2 hours each. Laundry dapat matapos ko siya by 12. And then next naman, kain muna ako. And then after yun, maglinis for 2 hours or 1 hour, 30 minutes. And then sabi niya, mag-rest ako ng 30 minutes before ko mag-review. Then after ito, magluluksan ako. So let's start the day doing laundry. Hindi ko alam. So ang sponsor natin for today is Surf Falcon. AI just doesn't help me schedule my life. It also helps me cure my boredom, especially when I'm doing tasks and I can't use both hands. By using AI and by asking it to play me some music, it helps me stay in the mood and stay productive. it's currently around noon na and I have to jog kasi it's part of my schedule. And I don't want to get stuck in my dorm all day. So, ayan, kunwari mag-i-stretch pero pinagtitinginan ng mga tao. And akala nila mukha akong when I'm in between jogs, I ask Siri to play me my favorite track, which is Tensionado by Cup of Joe, and it helps me stay energetic and filled with love.
Siri. How can I study properly?
Here's what I found.
This is one of the major examples to why AI is such an important aspect in my life right now. Not only will it help me study more efficiently and effectively, it also helps me become more focused in my studies. Hello guys, good evening. It's currently 3:30 now and maybe this will be my last clip for the day since I finished my own homework and studies. So before I end my mini vlog, I just want to share my own experience on how much important it is for me using AI in this modern world, in this ever-changing world. So napapansin niyo naman ata sa mga previous clips ko that whenever I do stuff, I ask AI or AI helps me do things. This is because nasanay ako kasi nga nung pandemic talagang nag-boom ang AI and ang AI tool is very important, naging important na din sa aspect ng buhay ko. In what way ba? Well, if I'm reviewing, tumutulong talaga siya ng mas mapadali at mapabilis yung review ko. Studies. When I'm doing activities, especially when I can't use both hands, I use AI or Siri to help me with my playlists, music, and lastly is whenever I feel bored or alone, I can chat with it and treat it as a person. So, an AI companion. So, those are the three major parts of using an AI in your daily life. So, call me weird or anything, pero hindi mo talagang matatanggal ang AI sa buhay mo, lalo na nung nasanay ka na during the pandemic. And I'm very grateful that it became popular and I became part of the system. So since I've done most of my work today, I just want to thank you guys for letting me share my own experience with AI in my daily life. How AI affects my daily life. So goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching and I hope I could see you again on my next clip.